like to operate an articulated vehicle and also be responsible for the maintenance of the machine? Backhoe operators are tradesmen that move and load earth, rocks, gravel or other materials during construction. They are also known as TLB operators. A backhoe operator works on building sites, the construction and maintenance of roads, bridges, airports and other utilities. Their job description varies according to the kind of construction work they do. The machinery they operate might be needed for activities such as backfilling, excavations, vibrating or breaking rock or concrete. Backhoe operators master the art of operating the vehicle and its equipment in surface mining, quarrying and land clearing activities. As a backhoe operator, you will be responsible for doing basic maintenance on tracks and performing pre-operational checks of the vehicle and equipment. You will be responsible for moving the levers, depressing the foot pedals and turning the dials that operate the backhoe. You will need to familiarize yourself with the machine's capabilities and limitations. You will also need to be able to read plans to know the safe digging procedures for a particular job. Other tasks you will need to get good at will be observing hand signals from other people on the site. You will need to understand grade stakes or other markings when operating the machine so that the work can be performed to specification. Having the ability to receive written or oral instructions regarding material movement or excavation is a necessity. As you work, you will be required to transport the material you excavate over short distances. This might be loaded onto trucks to be taken away. Given the heavy work these machines do, they break down from time to time. When this happens, you will be required to either repair, adjust, lubricate, or even replace parts such as gears, bearings, or bucket teeth. Finally, you will need to acquire and use knowledge of earth-moving fundamentals such as soil characteristics, ground conditions, and map reading. A backhoe operator must observe relevant health and safety regulations according to the Health and Safety Act and know where and when they are applicable. To become a backhoe operator, you must have the capability and strength to operate heavy machinery without causing injury to yourself. Safety gear must be worn at all times, without exception. If you think backhoe operating is the career for you, you can consider taking up a learnership with a qualified TLB operator or company. In most cases, employers will require you to do their own specialized training course before they qualify you as a backhoe operator.